Welcome to Nicholas Karate Center.
సార్
You go!
సార్ మాకు క్వాలిటీ సార్
Welcome to Eggless Karate. Can you do what I do?
ఎస్ సార్ డూ
Very good. You are in the right place. See, everyone is black belt, green belt, white belt, yellow belt. I am leather belt.
ఎస్ సార్
Very good. Now, say loudly. Can you do?
ఎస్ ఐ కెన్ డూ
I can't hear. Say loudly. Can you do?
ఎస్ ఐ కెన్ డూ
Very good. Now, start your training. Go, my child. Eggless Karate. See there. Where are you going? No egg, no pain. This is the power of eggless karate. You have egg, you have pain. Please come to Eggless Karate Center. If you think any one of your friend should join Eggless Karate Center, then please tag your friend and share our number 2222 I can do.
सब इसको कहते